Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover your lost game progress in Monopoly Go, step by step. So, the first thing to know is that Monopoly Go saves your progress if your account is linked to Facebook or another online account. To check this, tap the 3-bar menu at the top right, then go to Settings, and tap Manage Account. Inside Manage Account, look for the Play with Friends option. If you haven't already, connect your Monopoly Go account to your Facebook account. This way, all your progress will stay synced and safe, even if you lose your phone. Now, if your game progress is gone and your account wasn't connected before, don't worry, there's still something you can try. Go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Customer Service. Once you're in Customer Service, scroll down and tap Chat with Us. This will open a support chat where you can explain what happened. Just let them know you've lost access to your game progress or account, and they'll guide you through recovery steps. Make sure to provide as much detail as possible, like your username, linked email, and the last time you played. The more info you give, the faster they can help recover your account. And that's how you can recover your lost Monopoly Go game progress. Pretty simple once you know the steps. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.